Good early evening, everyone. T-Speaker 222 XRP Future Millionaire with the side bet on Excellent Future, by OG. So, as we've seen today, it's pretty much played out as expected, except XRP did hit that $1 mark. So, we'll see if this is, in fact, this head and shoulders building like we thought earlier. I thought it would go up to about 99 cents. It's going to be a little blow off the top. So, we'll see. Looks like that's what's going on here because we're running out of steam up here at this level. It's the perfect structure for head and shoulders. So if it fails this level, you'll go down to 70 cents real quick. So make sure to take profits, guys. 15% is 15%. So we're watching to see if this can keep building up strength or if this is just going to die off here now. But it's coming up to the traditional head and shoulders. That's why I pointed out this level in my last update. If you go back and look, I even put it in the title, that we can finish off head and shoulders at 99 cents, and this is right there. Like, it's really right there. So pay attention, be alert. Bitcoin's been pretty much stuck at this 43,733 level that we talked about earlier. So I thought we could get up to. But it's starting to round the top, it looks like. So we could get another little burst here. I don't know. XLM's struggling around this 30-cent level. And then DGB can't get over the 5-cent level right now. So what we're actually looking for is another burst of volume. If we don't get it, we'll just come right back down. So these are the resistance lines. We'll see if it can turn them into support, but I don't think they're going to based on the volume. It just doesn't look promising from here. There have been some phenomenal gains today across the board. AGI is the one that we thought could get all the way back up to that 35-cent level, or the 32 at least. But they've had some nice pumps. AGI's got a lot of volume. It's had a lot of volume. XLM's underperforming XRP just a little bit. But we'll see how much more strength they have here. We need more volume. If we want to get to 108 with XRP, like I said earlier, we need volume. So we'll see what happens here, but it looks like we're starting to round the tops here. I'll keep you updated as more information comes in, but we have to watch to see how high this goes. The top of this potential, the top of the cup is 108, but we need volume. Right now we're at that $1 level, that 99 cent that I talked about earlier. And it's pulling back a little bit here, so we're going to see if we can find any more volume. We need volume. That's the bottom line. We need some volume to come in. So far it's been a pretty weak start to this 2-hour session. It's only been 15 minutes, but volume's coming very weak. So if you look at it in comparison, it's a little underperforming. It's starting to come down in volume, but the prices are still going up. So eventually this is going to die out. So take your profits if you have it, even if you want to take out 15%, because that's what you may take out 15%, let the rest ride. So I'll keep you updated when appropriate. Hit that motherfucking like button. Check out the rest of my pages or my Twitter. It's in the video description below. But honestly, I mean, we just have to wait for this to finish this ride. That's what we talked about earlier. That's why I haven't been doing a lot of updates. There's no point. I had to wait for it to get to this 99 cent mark because it looked like I had head and shoulders in the 30-minute, and it's playing out like that perfectly. And it's starting to look like it's running out of steam here because if you look how it's building layers, this is very bearish at the top here because there hasn't been a push in volume, but the price keeps going up. So this is going to roll over on itself. So be careful, guys. Stay blessed.